I have so many people to buy Christmas presents for this year, and I don't want to bust out my budget. You got any ideas?
I do. Don't worry, Shyla. We have the recipe box for you. This recipe box is designed for easy gift giving that's toxin-free. Comes with 4 full-size essential oils, candy cane blend, which is now kid-friendly and smells like a candy cane. Mandarin essential oil, it's kind of like orangey smelling, but a little bit wilder. Peppermint essential oil, which smells like peppermint, and pine scotch essential oil, which smells like pine, perfect for Christmas.
Plus, you get 6 recipes on how to use these oils. And add-ons is you get a spray bottle, 2 lip balm tubes, a 2-ounce container, which is going to be hidden underneath the essential oils, so make sure you check under there, otherwise you're not going to be able to find your tin. And you get tags, so you can tag all your cute little gifts.
And if you are a first-time subscriber, you will get our big bonus box, which is filled with raw natural ingredients that will help your recipes come to life. And if you keep on subscribing, in 6 months, we'll send you another one.
Yeah, so this box will get you through 6 months worth of recipes.
It comes with almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, solid coconut oil, beeswax, 6 5-milliliter amber bottles that will hold diffuser blends, and 6 roll-on containers. Shyla, what is your favorite recipe from this box?
My favorite recipe is the Christmas citrus room spray. I'm gonna use this on my fake tree because I'm getting a fake tree this year instead of cutting down one.
And with this spray, you'll get that great Christmas smell. My favorite is the candy cane lip balm because it's kid-friendly and my daughter is gonna love it.
Awesome. So to get this box to make all these recipes, go to simplyearth.com/box.
It'll make your Christmas giving a whole lot easier, and it's toxin-free.
And you're not breaking the budget.
Hi, I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists, and we love sharing how to use essential oils with people like you.
You're gonna love our December box, and we'll see you later.